Alright guys, so today I'm going to be making a zucchini boat, keto style, and I'm going to be using all these stuff you see right here: onion, pepper, zucchini, tomato, pork, bacon. Now that everything is cut, it should look like this. You ready to go? Alright guys, now we're going to go ahead and make our zucchini boats. I'm going to keep that top piece on. We're going to split it straight down the middle, straight as you could get. Grab a spoon and just take out the guts. You're going to keep this guts though, because we're going to use this as part of our stuffing. Just work it out, scrape it out. Try and get all of it out as possible, but still leave enough where you don't want to break it. Alright guys, now that we're all cleaned up, ready to go, this is how your boat should look. Remember, keep your guts. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and oil these real quick. Get some olive oil in here. You could use avocado oil, olive oil, coconut oil, don't really matter. All those oils are keto friendly. Alright, I'm using olive oil in this case. Now we're gonna get some salt and pepper. Where is it? Salt. Add a little bit of salt. Add some pepper. Alright, now we're gonna array this on your baking tin. And you're gonna bake these at 500 for 5 minutes. Alright? 500 for 5 minutes. Alright, now I'm gonna cut up this sausage. I'm using pork sausage, guys, and it's smoked sausage. Nice flavor. I was gonna dice that real quick. Alright, so right here I got everything I need for the stuffing. I got the zucchini guts, the mushrooms, my peppers and onions, tomatoes mixed. I got my bacon, sausage, and I got my cheese. And guys, you could use chicken, you could use ground beef, you could use ground turkey, you could use whatever protein you want in this zucchini bowl. But I'm going all pork today, guys. So let's go ahead and make our stuffing right now. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start our stuffing. Alright, we're gonna start with the bacon. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of these out. And here we're gonna go ahead and add our veggies. Mushrooms. Alright, I'm gonna add a zucchini cup. Oh yeah. Some salt, some pepper, some garlic powder, All right, now let's go ahead and stuff our boats. You want to get nice amount in here. Let's get them in there real good. You want to fill them up all the way. What happened now, you're going to just top these off with some cheese and some bacon bits, and you're going to just put them back in the oven for literally 2 minutes, because everything is already cooked, everything is already ready to go. But just let's get some cheese on top of here, guys. And I'm using a fancy mix cheese, which is shredded cheddar, mozzarella, and parmesan. You know, you could adjust it to your liking. You could use straight mozzarella, you could use only parmesan, you could use only cheddar, but I like a mixture. I'm gonna top it off with some bacon bits. Or you could use ham to top it off. You know, you could top it off with whatever, but I'm using bacon in this recipe. A little bit more cheese. Alright, we're going to put this back in the oven, guys. Remember, our oven's at 500 degrees. Let me just get some parsley in here real quick. We're going to put this back at 500 degrees for 2 minutes. Alright, it's been 2 minutes. Our boats are ready. Let's go ahead and plate these up and enjoy. Alright, and you could plate these however, guys, but I'm just going to array them on the plate, nothing fancy. Oh, there you go. These are super hot, guys, so I would recommend letting them cool a little bit, then you could dig right in. And there you go, guys, zucchini boats, keto style. And I'm topping this off with some avocado spread. And I'll have the recipe for this in a separate video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. But that's how you make zucchini boats, guys, 100% keto.